can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. Then on threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can plate food before you eat it.
Yeah, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Grapevine, grapevine. Good.
So, Ducky, let me play with you.
Good. Go around him. And up on the thing. And bat his head.
With your tongue before the crotch.
Good. Throw him away.
Your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, Ducky, what game would you like to play? It can be anything. Anything. Well, I'd like to pedal in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Then
Follow him, Nathan.
Sliding in the slime to the marsh where they find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water bump and race. Say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
No, stay over here. Soft shoe. Soft shoe. Da 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 da. Ducky. Da 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 da. Hey, switch sides. Da da da. Mama
gave the best advice.
There you go. Time steps. Good. Keep going. Randy joins in. Good. Add the arms big. Good.
It's a crazy little game called lunch. We could go rushing in the rushes, decking our fish, find another place where it's foggy. Then there's time to slime beneath the foggy. Join our games. They have to make a promise first to stop calling me names. Oh, I'll help you to forget that. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Oh, you want to play hide and seek now, do you? Oh, where are you, Ducky? Am I getting warmer?
Take your time. We have all this time here. Hold on, wait. Don't run yet. Now run. And stop and look at each other. And run. Good. Oh.
Shimmy your chow before you chew. Beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food. Why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Tell me, Ducky, do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this!